Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stop by to my channel, my name is Atunike. So today I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this lovely boho crochet braid using expression braiding hair and darling braiding hair. We are going to be needing straw and a very tiny crochet hook. So this is the straw we are going to be needing. You can use any straw of your choice, but that is one I'm going to be using. So now I'm just plucking out the tip of my hair. I did the cutting into 4 because I have this color, I have it left over from the expression I used in one of my videos. So I was like, let me mix it with color black. I should not use only black. So you can see what I'm doing. I want to section the hair. After I section the hair, I'll start braiding on my Brazilian wool that I tie around my rack. I hope you understand that. Make sure you twist the root very well so that it will be very easier for you to crochet when you want to crochet it on your hair. It's very important for you to achieve the loop, so make sure you twist the loop, twist it very well so that your crochet won't stuck on your hair, or so that it will be very easier for you to crochet. So that is it. Make sure you achieve the loop very well. So I won't crochet to the down, I won't braid to the down part. I'll just braid to the length I want. It depends on the length you want, but me, I want something very short. So that is why I'm going for into 4. So I want something short. If you want something long, you can do it into 2 or into 3, but me, I want cut 4. So I'll tie a loop, then I'll form a knot 3 times. We are still going to see another one. Let me keep quiet so that you can understand these parts. Wrap the tip wrap it around the straw. Use achieve my own coils without using any coily hair I have. I hope you grab that part. Please guys, if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel. Please, I really appreciate that. And please make sure you thumbs up this video. That will really help my channel to grow a lot. Please share with your lovely ones, your sister, your aunt, anyone you think that need to see this lovely DIY. I was happy achieving this gorgeous DIY because I've been wanting this kind of hairstyle. I love different kind of hairstyle, so that is why I love doing DIY myself, and I love sharing with you guys to see how you can achieve yours on a budget also. So I use only 1.5 pack of braiding hair. Inside the darling hair there's 2 hair inside, so I use only one from that darling hair. Then the one that is left over is like half, so I use 1.5 pack of braiding hair. If you want to use Xpression, that is 1.5 pack, but if it's darling hair that has 2 inside, one is okay for you. The whole pack is okay for you. So I hope you grab that. So now we are going to dip it into the hot water. Some of the rubber I used did not really stay long, so some of them unravel, but I did that off camera back. I wrap it back off camera.